When I'm with you, I'm happy. When we hug, it's like I don't ever want to let go. When you make me smile, it brings the sunshine out in me. When I see you and our eyes meet, it's like something I have never felt before. I think I'm in love with you after all this time because I can't get the little details out of my mind, like how I held you as the sun sank under grassy fields and how the stars danced in your eyes. I would grab your shirt, pulling you closer to me and tasting your bubblegum tongue, feeling your laughter in my mouth. We were two people, reckless, serenading themselves to a disastrous love as I embraced your defects to confess. You were my every wish. I needed you more than anyone. You were my strength, my cup of tea during the rainy days. As you sang me love songs, we wrapped ourselves in blankets and with each other, waking up with tangled limbs and a beautiful mess, running my fingertips over the scars on your wrist. I'll never finish falling in love with you.